2 weeks since heavy rains caused devastating flooding on Chicago's west side and near west suburbs, there is still little in the way of official help. On Monday, a civil rights attorney filed 6 Freedom of Information Act requests in hope of pinpointing the actions taken during the July 2nd storms, including the reversal of the Chicago River, with questions on if that caused backups on the west side. And on Tuesday, after Cook County proclaimed a natural disaster, Governor Pritzker was able to do the same, opening up the option for many of these residents to apply for state and federal disaster aid, including suburban Cicero.
Don't run that dishwasher. Maybe hold off on washing clothes.